Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Coinbase account security with identity verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up your Coinbase account security with identity verification, start by visiting the Coinbase website. Click the sign up button if you don't already have an account. If you already have an account, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab, usually found in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, select the Security tab. Here, you will find various security options for your account. Look for the Identity Verification option and click on it. You will see a prompt asking for more personal information to verify your identity. Fill in the required fields with accurate information. This may include your full name, date of birth, and address. After entering your details, click Continue to proceed. Next, you will need to upload a form of identification. Acceptable forms of ID include a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Follow the prompts to upload the selected document. Ensure the image is clear and all text is legible. After uploading your ID, click Submit for review. Coinbase will process your verification request. You may receive an email notification regarding your verification status. The process could take a few minutes to a few days, depending on demand. Once your identity is verified, you will receive a confirmation. Return to the security settings to explore additional options. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. This feature will require a verification code from your phone every time you log in. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. You may choose to receive codes via SMS or an authentication app. Once activated, make sure to keep your recovery code safe in case you lose access. Review other security features available in the settings. Keep your account secure by regularly updating your password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.